The best foods to cleanse your arteries and improve blood circulation. Surprisingly, 9 common foods are often the culprits behind arteriosclerosis. But what if I told you that the key to transforming this scenario and maintaining healthy arteries is more accessible than you might imagine? The solution revolves simply around avoiding foods that lead to clogged arteries and incorporating those that enhance blood flow, significantly increasing your circulation. This is incredibly important, especially as we age. I'll first cover the foods that promote better blood flow. Following that, I'll address the foods that contribute to artery blockage. Stay with me. You'll be truly surprised by the common dietary mistakes that many of us routinely make. Let's start. Food number 1, oats. Oats are a real powerhouse when it comes to kickstarting your day the heart-healthy way. These humble grains are champions of the breakfast table thanks to their special kind of fiber called beta-glucan. Here's where the magic happens. Beta-glucan is a natural warrior against bad LDL cholesterol, the kind that likes to stick around on the walls of your arteries, causing all sorts of trouble. By keeping your cholesterol levels in check, oats ensure that your blood sails smoothly through your veins, reducing the risk of heart complications and boosting your overall circulation. And let's not forget about their versatility. Whether you're cozying up with a warm bowl of porridge or blending them into a refreshing smoothie, oats offer a straightforward yet potent way to nourish your heart right from the start of your day. So, embrace the hearty goodness of oats and give your heart the care it deserves with every spoonful. Food number 2, turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in culinary dishes, stands out not only for its flavor, but also for its cardiovascular benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for managing arterial health. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the arteries, and decreases the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is critical in preventing the formation and progression of atherosclerosis. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric are particularly beneficial in protecting against arterial plaque buildup and maintaining smooth blood flow. Furthermore, studies suggest that curcumin can improve endothelial function, ensuring that the arteries remain flexible and able to regulate blood pressure effectively. This function is crucial for preventing arterial stiffness, a common precursor to cardiovascular issues. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple and can provide significant health benefits. It can be incorporated into various dishes for an extra flavor kick, or taken as a supplement to ensure a concentrated dose of its heart-protective compounds. Regularly including turmeric in your meals can help maintain arterial health, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and support overall wellness. Food number 3, tomatoes. Those vibrant orbs of goodness bring more than just a splash of color to your plate. They're bursting with health benefits too. Yes, they are fruits and fabulous ones at that. Loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and a fantastic compound called lycopene, tomatoes are like nature's little superheroes. Lycopene, the star of the show, works tirelessly to cut down inflammation and fend off those pesky fatty deposits that like to cozy up in your arteries. What's truly marvelous about tomatoes is just how easy they are to slip into almost any meal. Toss them in a salad, simmer them in a sauce, or simply slice them up and give them a sprinkle of salt and a drizzle of olive oil for a quick, heart-healthy treat. They're not just a feast for the eyes with their bold colors and juicy texture. They're also a powerhouse for your heart. So go on, give your dishes a fun tomato twist. Your arteries will thank you for the lively boost. Food number 4, beets, with their vibrant red hue, are not just visually appealing. They are also packed with dietary nitrates and fibers that the body converts into nitric oxide. This conversion is vital for your cardiovascular health, as nitric oxide helps to expand and relax blood vessels, which improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. Furthermore, the fibers in beets assist in lowering overall cholesterol levels in the bloodstream, thereby decreasing the risk of plaque formation and promoting arterial cleanliness. Regular intake of beets, whether in the form of roasted veggies, refreshing juices, or hearty smoothies not only aids in maintaining smooth, flexible arteries, but also supports the overall function of the cardiovascular system. Including beets in your diet can lead to improved endothelial function, which is essential for the artery's ability to dilate and contract effectively, an indicator of good arterial health. This root vegetable, thus, serves as a functional food that not only enhances your meals with its sweet, earthy flavor, but also fortifies your cardiovascular health in multiple significant ways. Food number 5. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a refreshing summer treat. It's also a formidable ally for cardiovascular health, thanks to its high content of lycopene and citrulline. These compounds play a significant role in supporting arterial health. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found abundantly in watermelon, helps reduce inflammation and the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which are critical steps in the formation and progression of atherosclerosis. By preventing LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, lycopene helps keep it from sticking to artery walls, thereby reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Citrulline, another key component found in watermelon, has been shown to improve endothelial function. This amino acid aids in the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow throughout the body. This function is essential for maintaining arterial flexibility and preventing conditions such as hypertension and vascular insufficiency. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is an enjoyable and effective way to boost your cardiovascular health. Whether consumed as fresh slices, juiced for a hydrating drink, or added to salads for a touch of sweetness, watermelon provides a delicious and potent means of enhancing arterial health, improving circulation, and supporting overall heart function. Food number 6. Apple. Apples are a potent tool in the prevention of atherosclerosis, thanks to their abundant content of soluble fibers and a variety of antioxidants, including quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants are especially effective in combating the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key factor in the development of arterial plaque. When LDL cholesterol oxidizes, it tends to stick to the walls of arteries, a primary cause of atherosclerosis. The robust antioxidant properties of apples help neutralize these dangerous free radicals, thereby reducing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol and its potential to harm the arterial walls. Furthermore, the soluble fibers found in apples play a critical role in lowering the overall cholesterol levels in the blood. This reduction in cholesterol not only helps prevent new plaque buildup, but also assists in stabilizing existing plaque, making it less likely to lead to a heart attack or stroke. Regular consumption of apples has been associated with improved endothelial function, reflecting the health of the arteries to dilate and contract effectively, which is vital for maintaining good blood flow and arterial health. Incorporating apples into your daily diet can be an enjoyable and effective strategy to enhance cardiovascular health. Whether eaten fresh as a crunchy snack, blended into a smoothie, or baked into healthy desserts, apples offer a delicious way to support arterial cleanliness and overall heart health. Food number 7. Citrus fruits are extraordinary allies in the battle against arterial blockages, boasting a rich arsenal of vitamin C, potassium, and a special group of antioxidants known as flavonoids. These components are crucial for strengthening the arterial walls and minimizing the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is often implicated in cardiovascular diseases. The high concentration of antioxidants in citrus fruits plays a significant role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing inflammation and enhancing blood circulation. This makes these fruits not just a delightful addition to any diet, but also a powerful tool for maintaining cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of citrus fruits, whether juiced, added to salads, or eaten whole, can significantly boost your heart's ability to function efficiently, ensuring that blood flows freely through clean and resilient arteries. Number 8. Berries. Berries are nature's delightful little treasures. Packed into each small bite are bursts of flavor and a powerhouse of health benefits. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries aren't just delicious. They're a vibrant arsenal against oxidative stress and inflammation, two notorious adversaries of healthy arteries. These tiny fruits are brimming with antioxidants, especially a group called polyphenols, which do more than just defend your arteries from damage. They also help to enhance your blood pressure. Incorporating a handful of these colorful berries into your meals does wonders. They not only add a visual and flavorful zest, but also lift your spirits, all while diligently working to keep your arteries pristine and your circulation smooth. So, scatter a few berries across your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a fresh, juicy snack. With every bite, you're nurturing your body and enriching your health, making berries a joyful and beneficial addition to any diet. After discussing the foods we should include in our lunch, it's crucial to address those we should try to avoid. Consuming too much of these foods poses a serious risk of hardening the arteries over time. Let's start. Processed meats. Starting with favorites like sausages, hot dogs, and bacon, these processed meats come with significant health costs. They're often loaded with saturated fats and sodium, which can elevate cholesterol levels and increase blood pressure. Regular consumption can lead to clogged arteries, impeding the smooth flow of blood through your body and straining your cardiovascular system. Fried foods. Then there's the irresistible allure of fried foods. From crispy fried chicken to golden French fries, these are beloved by many. However, they're typically cooked in oils rich in unhealthy trans fats. Trans fats wreak havoc on your heart by elevating bad cholesterol levels while depleting the good cholesterol, setting the stage for clogged arteries and heart problems. Baked goods. Baked goods such as pies, cookies, and pastries might pair wonderfully with your coffee or tea, but they come with a hidden cost. Often laden with trans fats and excessive sugars, these treats can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease by promoting inflammation and arterial blockage. Full-fat dairy products. Cream, whole milk, and cheese fall into the category of full-fat dairy products known for their high levels of saturated fats, which can boost LDL, bad cholesterol. Opting for low-fat or fat-free dairy alternatives can be a more heart-healthy choice, helping to manage cholesterol levels more effectively. Fast food. Fast food, a staple for many due to convenience, is typically high in calories, fats, and sodium. Frequent consumption can lead to obesity and an increased risk of heart disease, as these foods contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, obstructing blood flow and stressing the heart. Red meat. Regular intake of fatty cuts of red meat such as beef and pork is also problematic. Rich in saturated fats, they can raise cholesterol levels, heightening the risk of heart disease and stroke by promoting artery blockage. Butter. While butter may enhance flavor in cooking, it's high in saturated fat and can contribute to the accumulation of fatty deposits within the arteries, making it more challenging for the heart to pump blood efficiently throughout the body. Palm oil and coconut oil. Although palm and coconut oils are popular in cooking and baking and come from natural sources, their high saturated fat content can be detrimental to heart health if consumed in large quantities. Candy. Candy, a major source of sugar, poses risks beyond just dental health. High sugar intake can lead to obesity, which elevates the risk of developing heart disease. Additionally, sugar can increase levels of inflammation in the body, including in the arteries, further exacerbating cardiovascular risks. If you found this video useful, consider liking it and sharing it with friends and family. You never know who might benefit from this information today. Thank you for watching. Here's to your radiant health and happiness. Until next time.